What's up, y'all? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now, before I scare anybody, I'm not quitting YouTube. I'm not quitting social media. None of that. It's not that kind of video. But I did want to use this time to announce that basically the majority of the sneakers you see behind me, all of these are going to be for sale this Friday on my website at shopsoultopia.com at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now, you guys are probably wondering, what's going on, Alex? Why are you selling your shoes? And that's why I wanted to make this video right here. I honestly don't even know where to start, but I guess I could go ahead and talk about how I was feeling before, like how this even came to be, right? My love for sneakers began in 2008, and I was in middle school at that time. And obviously, being in middle school, it's not the easiest to get money, so I would save my lunch money and buy sneakers. It would take me about a month to be able to buy a pair of Nike SBs. They were going for about like $80 to $100 retail. I buy them off of CCS. Shout out to everybody that knows about that website. And eventually I got into restoring shoes because I figured there was some money in that, and I was able to clean my friend's shoes for a little bit of money here and there so I could obviously buy more shoes. So about 13 to 14-ish years later, here is what I've built. There's a lot of stuff that just comes and goes. I used to have a bunch of stuff, and I did do a few cut downs of my collection, and this is what remained from a somewhat recent cutback. Now, as this year is starting to end, I'm starting to reevaluate my plans and what I need to happen in 2022. I have so many goals in mind. I have so many different things that I need to get done in 2022. And while all of these shoes are amazing, the goals that I have set in 2022 probably won't be able to be accomplished, or they won't be easily accomplishable with these sitting right here. So with that being said, we have to make some sacrifices. And at this point in my life, I'm totally okay with it. If you were to ask me to sell all of this in high school, I would call you crazy. At that time, it was a little bit different. You know what I mean? I had a younger mindset. I was honestly trying to impress other people with what I had on my feet. I literally changed shoes every single day. And I had this idea that if I wore different shoes, or if I had different outfits on, people would like me more, or I'd be more cool, etc., etc. But as I've grown up, I honestly have nobody to impress. That's a very high school, younger mentality, which is why I partially wanted to make this video. So if anybody is younger, or even if you're older, you might be able to pull some things from this video right here. This video is pretty much off the dome, so I don't have anything scripted, but I'm gonna try to have everything that's going on in my head clear enough for you guys to understand where I'm coming from. One point I didn't make clear yet is the fact that I am not getting out of the sneaker game. It's just me selling my shoes, really. Like, I still love shoes. I still will pick up a bunch of shoes in the future, but me getting rid of everything is pretty much like a reset for me. If you ever played Call of Duty, it's basically me prestiging. And if you haven't played Call of Duty, you basically get to the max level and they give you an option to prestige, and that sets you back to level 1, so you can start again, so the game is more fun. So that's basically what I'm doing here. I've reached the peak level, in my opinion, for myself. I know for other people it could be a lot more shoes, it could be a lot less shoes. This is for me, man. This is for me. At this point, I pretty much own all of the grails that I need to own. I don't find any excitement in spending over $400 to $500 in shoes anymore. I also wanted to make a note that I honestly collect. As you can see, I collect, but I don't wear everything. Like, I don't have the opportunities to be wearing all of these shoes right here. So that's one of the main reasons why I'm like, does it really just make sense to have these sit here? Like, these are very nice. They're really hard to get. A lot of them are very, very hard to get. And I've spent years collecting these things, but if nobody's enjoying them, are they really serving their purpose? So I'd rather just sell them to you guys. If you can enjoy them, sure, enjoy them. You can purchase them on the website. Again, I'll leave everything linked down below. 5 p.m. on Friday. All right, I believe that's Christmas Eve. I'd rather have somebody else enjoy them. It's like whenever I go out, I usually wear Crocs. I usually wear slippers. I got some Dunks like these that I just like wearing because, I don't know, I don't have to worry about them too much. I don't have to worry about creasing them. I don't have to worry about getting them dirty. These are cheaper, so I like these. This is just a different stage of my life. So I'm gonna keep a couple Dunks, but like the SBs, the stuff that's like the heavy hitters, like all these right here, they gotta go, man. They gotta go. I don't know if you guys can relate to it. If you guys can, leave a comment down below. I'm honestly not hurt about this at all. I'll be honest, around like 2016, I was very, very, very materialistic. And being like that, in my opinion, is very dangerous to yourself and to those around you. Because when you're a really materialistic person, it's almost like you kind of value yourself based on what you have. So I don't want people to think that I'm successful based on everything I'm able to accumulate. I think that's a pretty toxic way of viewing certain things, right? People are gonna hang out with me because I have Yeezys, or girls will like me because I have Yeezys, or I could get friends because I wear nice shoes and stuff like that. It's just not realistic, and that's really not the way to move. My friend group has been the same friend group that I've had for plenty of years. If you guys notice my videos, I hang around with the same people. I'm not talking to nobody else. I'm not trying to impress anybody else. I stick with my people because they're loyal. I enjoy hanging around with them. I have fun with them. They make me laugh, and that's what I care about, really. Although this stuff is extremely nice to have, I worked very hard to get it, it doesn't make me. Does that make sense? I don't want to feel like material goods define me and my character, or who I am as a person, or even just my personality, or make me look a certain way because I have certain things. You know what I mean? So I think getting rid of this stuff will be a nice refresh. And like I said, in 2022, I have plenty of goals that I need to accomplish. And in order to do that, sacrificing some things in my life is going to have to happen. And I'm totally okay with that. Sometimes in life, you gotta let go in order to reap the benefits of that in the future, all right? So I'm not afraid of any of that stuff. I just wanted to come off and just tell you guys how I feel about things. I don't think that me selling this is going to affect content in any way, because there's always shoes coming out. There's always stuff that I can paint, I can restore. I'm always buying shoes for business, but all my personal stuff doesn't really affect how I move business-wise, or for you guys for the social media stuff. So that's where I'm at with things. That's going to wrap this video up. I got plenty of gems in here, so stay tuned on the website. I'm literally gonna go through every single shoe right now, figure out what the condition is, what the market price is for them, and then separate the ones that I want to keep. I got some stuff in here that my friends gifted me, so I'm gonna obviously keep those. Like these Superstars, my homie Colin gave me these. My homie David gave me these, so I'm not gonna give those away, but stuff like the shattered backboards, those could leave. I bought those with my money, so no sentimental value to them. I got my shoes, I gotta keep those, but majority of these things, mochas, I don't need mochas. I got brown dunks right here. Why do I need mochas? So that's it, y'all. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys on my website, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, shopsoltopia.com. Hey, this is stuff from my collection that I've built for over a decade. So if stuff doesn't sell, I don't mind keeping it, but I would like to cut down on this. Let me see if you guys could actually see. See that? I think I have maybe about 100 pairs right here. So if I could cut down on a lot of them, over like 75% of them, I'll be happy. So check out the website, and thank you guys so much for making it till the end. If you guys made it to the end, Christmas is coming up. So comment cucumber down below, and then I'll know that you watched the entire video. Leave your Instagram @handle right there so I could contact you, and I'll be picking a few winners to win some free stuff from me. I'm gonna figure all that out. But now that I've announced everything, your boy needs to get to work. So I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.